Noble Middle School was founded and constructed over 50 years ago. One of the prominent school-wide goals throughout its history has been pursue excellence. Despite recent challenges like hurricanes, construction, and the pandemic that is COVID-19, Noble not only stayed true to the goal of pursuing excellence, Noble delivered excellence. By organizing and providing a free community yard sale, Noble delivered excellence to those that were affected by Hurricane Florence. Noble also improvised and maintained a fun spirit during all of the chaos surrounding construction. And Noble has delivered excellence by finding creative ways to connect and instruct our students during this pandemic. As students enter our building, they are greeted and welcomed by a staff and administration that maintains a student-first mindset. The classroom leaders, instructional experts, and motivated staff of Noble, they challenge students to embrace the goal. Engaging lessons, hands-on activities, and meaningful discussions are just a few examples of the academic rigor that students encounter throughout their time at Noble Middle School. From the classrooms to the hallways, the school environment and atmosphere is one of growth and unity. Our guidance and counseling team promotes and encourages students to display their kindness and to take a chance at lifting others up. Our elective and physical education teams work in unison to round out the complete middle school experience. The music and arts department continuously thrives with every opportunity to create and perform. Our career technology team provides top-shelf instruction that allows students to participate in biotechnology, business and engineering technology, and students also enjoy participating in a physical education program that provides an epic end-of-year field day event that no other middle school provides. Noble Middle School has extracurricular activities that provide opportunities for all interests. Chess Club, Battle of the Books, Surf and Skate Club, Science Olympiad, all the way to our highly decorated athletic programs. Through it all, we are thankful for the success that we've been able to achieve over the past 50 years, and we are even more excited about our opportunities to help students pursue excellence over the next 50 years.